Welcome to day 45 of the daily vlogs. Did I just drop $1? Okay, I thought I dropped $1. Well, walking to school. Walking to the bus stop, which will transport me to school. So yeah. Got tennis rackets. Got my chucks on. Today's gonna be a good day. But anyway, let's see. I don't have any tests today. In Italian, nope. So, yeah, no test today. I guess that's a plus. So, I just got up from like a couple hour nap, probably like a 2-hour nap. Felt good. So, I'm not sure if I told you this, but I went to orthodontist today. To get my retainers checked out. That like sand down my tooth. Now like this tooth right here, it feels all like weird. I don't like it. Oh, and I only wear my retainers at night. I didn't know that I was supposed to wear it all day, every day. Oops. So in tennis, I'm embarrassed of this, but I went down from 9th position to 12th. Yeah. I am mad. But you know what? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Because you know what? As long as you enjoy stuff, you don't get mad. Like me, I'm not getting mad. I'm actually laughing about it. Look! I see The Simpsons. It's 10 o'clock. 10:04 exactly. Did you guys know it was 10:04? Well, anyway, it's 10:04 exactly, and I want some pretzels. I couldn't find any pretzels, so I had the next best thing. Some snack well cookies. These things are awesome. Alright, so I had to change my alarm clock I haven't used my alarm clock in forever. Look how dusty it is. Wait a sec after I turn it on. Look at how dusty it is. It's actually not as much dusty though I thought it would be. Okay, time. It's going to be PM, right? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 17. Why? There's no battery in here. It's a freaking plugged in. 10, 18. And I have this in my alarm for 6. Now I'm going to set it for 5:45. So maybe I can edit the vlog in the morning. I went, oh! That got me mad. 6. I was leaving at 6. Hey look, it's a phone clip. And also look, it's Family Guy on a TV. On a phone clip. There is snow on the ground. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and do all that good stuff. Alright guys, this video thumbs up. And I will see you tomorrow. Sorry, this vlog was on the shorter side. And alright, see you tomorrow.